Hi, I'm Derek Teal, ED+C editor, and welcome to ED+C's 2011 Excellence in Design Awards. While the awards are in their 9th year, this is the first video we've ever done to announce the winners, and in my opinion, it's about time. All of this year's entries were fantastic projects. In years past, I know the judges were able to quickly whittle down the contenders from the pretenders, as it were, but had a much rougher go of it this year thanks to the quality of the submissions. On behalf of the judges and the entire ED+C staff, I'd like to thank all of those people and the companies they represent for giving us such a great competition this year. You can find case studies on the winners and recognition of the runners-up and honorable mentions in upcoming issues of ED+C starting with June. And now, let's get down to this year's winners. The spec office building 11 Times Square was our winner in the commercial category. Designed by Foxfall Architects for New Jersey-based developer SJP Properties, this LEED Gold certified high-rise is described as the first major tower in New York to have varying curtain wall treatments on its north and south facades. This was done to minimize energy use and to create an optimal working environment. The judges felt that this sculptural, glass-clad office tower was a fitting design for its 42nd Street location in Manhattan and were impressed by the attention paid toward indoor air quality and energy efficiency. It's expected that 11 Times Square will achieve 29.4% in total site energy usage savings compared to the performance rating method of ASHRAE 90.1 2004, excluding tenant equipment and lighting. You'll find out more about this project in the June issue of ED+C. Next is our educational winner, Clovis Unified School District's Buchanan Energy and Environmental Research Center, designed by SIM Architects. In a year of tight competitions, the competition between our winner and one of the runners-up, South Tahoe High School, was by far the tightest. In the end, what decided the winner was function. As a vocational school, the Buchanan Energy and Environmental Research Center gives its students real-time interaction with such elements as wind turbines, radiant floor heating, PV arrays, a green roof, and more, as it trains these kids for a future in the green industry. The judges felt that, in this category, the fact that the building itself was a hands-on teaching tool was enough to edge it ahead of the competition. ED+C will have a full case study on our educational winner in the August issue. You can find out why South Tahoe made it such a tough decision by reading our March issue. Blue Sea Development Company's General Colin Powell Apartments is our first multifamily residential winner. A partnership with Habitat for Humanity NYC helped to create this affordable housing development, the first multifamily ownership building built in more than 30 years in the South Bronx area formerly known as Fort Apache. Additionally, this LEED for Homes Platinum building was built on a former brownfield site and is modeled to achieve 43% better energy efficiency than ASHRAE 90.1 2004. A 10 kilowatt micro CHP system produces electricity for the building while providing all of the domestic hot water supply. Low VOC materials were used throughout, while recycled materials were used when possible. In addition to its sustainable features, judges were impressed by the building's design, noting that it definitely didn't come across as affordable housing. Read more about General Colin Powell Apartments in the July issue. Designed by Arc and Tilt Architects, our residential single-family winner, Santa Cruz Straw Bale House, is home to a family of 6. The owners, a pair of avid surfers who are also professors of biology and environmental studies, wanted a fun, comfortable house while pushing the ecological envelope. As you may have guessed by the name, the building envelope employs straw bale walls that wrap the north and west, while the wood-framed south wall features extensive glazing and brings daylight deep into the living spaces. Both the highly insulated walls and passive solar strategies aid in the net zero goal of the house. No mechanical cooling is needed, and natural ventilation occurs by simply opening windows. See more of this cozy home in the July issue. Sticking with the theme of fun and comfortable, the Madison Children's Museum is our winner in the institutional category. This, designed by Kubala Washatko Architects, is open and vibrant while emphasizing the arts, sciences, history, culture, health, and civic engagement. More than 100 Wisconsin artists were tapped to enhance the museum, which was originally a Montgomery Ward building built in 1929. The renovation of this historic building was done as a part of the Madison Children's Museum's commitment to integrate the principles of sustainability into all major business decisions. Those decisions also saw the incorporation of recycled content, reclaimed construction materials, a solar array, and more into a design that included a repurposed and reconstructed 1830s log cabin. More about this kid-friendly place will be available in ED+C's September issue. That brings us to our final category, government. OPSIS Architecture's design for the Bend Park and Recreation District Administration Building takes the award. The design intent was to be a demonstration of how man-made and natural elements can be brought together to blur the boundaries of indoor and outdoor spaces while providing environmental stewardship. Located within a 14-acre park, preservation and restoration of the scenic landscape was key. Existing trees and ground cover were maintained as much as possible, in addition to restoration of native habitat. In total, 377,836 square feet of vegetated open space was preserved. Judges were impressed by this, as it was 345% more than the local zoning code required. We'll have more for you on this project and others in this category in October. That's it for this year's winners. We plan on having more for you regarding these projects, in addition to the features in the magazine, available on the new edcmag.com. Thank you for watching, and thanks once again to everyone who made this year's competition possible. We're looking forward to seeing what the 2012 competition has to offer. Find out more information, including how to submit your project, on edcmag.com.